Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla, but you can call me Shay. And today's video is going to be on this really cute Flexi rod set. Today's video was inspired by actually Sunny. She just recently did a really bomb Flexi rod set and it looks amazing. So I had to try it. Now hers was a little bit more fluffier than mine, but it's okay because we're going to get there. Maybe day 2 hair will be giving more life. So yeah, we're gonna get right into the video, so stay tuned. Okay, so jumping right in, I sectioned my hair in 4 sections. Now I'm starting from the back, so I'm going to take one section and re-wet that with my spray bottle. Then I'm going in with my Mielle leave-in conditioner and I'm spraying that all over this section. And then I'm just going to detangle with my brush. Alright, so now I'm just pulling little sections with my finger that I'm going to put the Flexi rods on, and I'm going in with my Lotta body foaming mousse, putting that all over the section. And then I'm going to also comb that through just to make sure it's all detangled and smoothed out. And then I'm going to take my purple Flexi rod, and I'm starting from the top this time. So I'm just taking my hair and wrapping it down the Flexi rod. And I'm smoothing the ends over just with some more mousse, just making sure that's smooth. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fold those in place. Okay, so I was nervous because this is a new method for me. I usually take my Flexi rod and roll up from the bottom of my hair, but I decided to try a new method, and girl, like, it worked out. So I highly recommend trying it this way as well. Hey girl, hey, so it's the next day and I'm praying that it's all dry. So I sat under the dryer for about 2.5 hours between yesterday and this morning. So let's hope it dry. I did have to like redo 2 of them, one in the back and then one at the top, because it was like unraveling. So I like redid it and sat under the dryer so it can dry. So hopefully they're all dry. Like, I'm nervous. Like, I want it to be cute. So anyway, let's get started taking them out. Okay, so it might be cute. Look at that one. Okay, guys, I'm getting excited because it's looking pretty good and dry so far. So I'm gonna just keep going. Oh, sidebar, y'all. Sleeping in Flexis is the absolute worst, damn near impossible, because you trying not to like shift and knock any of them out, and then they all just huge in your face. So it's like you trying to like this, trying to like this. Like, I didn't get any sleep last night. Just let's say that. Keep that in mind. Okay, all the Flexi rods are out. I'm gonna take some of my Monoi oil by Carol's daughter. You can't really, okay, maybe you can see it a little bit. Yeah, it's Monoi oil by Carol's daughter. I'm gonna take that and like rub it, put it on my fingers to separate all of my curls. Like I said, guys, this video was inspired by Naturally Sunny. She did a really bomb Flexi rod set recently, and it looks so good. So I'm like, okay, let me try this set. So I'm hoping that mine's come out like hers. So I'm gonna get started with separating them, and then we're gonna see how it turns out. I'm just separating it lightly and rolling the curl around my finger just so, you know, so it can curl up. I don't want to disturb the curl at all. So I'm just being really gentle while I'm separating, and I'm not force separating any of them. Okay, so I'm just going to take my comb and kind of fluff it up from the roots a little bit, just to make it like bigger, so I look less Shirley Temple and more African goddess, you feel me? I'm just going to take my comb and just fluff. So it came out really cute, and I'm just thinking I need to just like work on my fluffing to like fluff it just a little bit more. But I am really pleased with the curls, that, you know, how the curls came out. And like, I'm so happy that it dried all the way, because that's my biggest thing with like doing these type of styles with my hair. It never dries all the way. But I invested in a dryer, so girl. Okay, girl, so this is the finished look. I probably can get it a little bigger, but I might wait, you know, a few days. Maybe my second day hair will be like, you know, a bit more volume. But I'm so pleased with the results. Y'all, like, we gotta take a moment on them. Because I was nervous, because I failed at this before. But Naturally Sunny mentioned this in her video. The key to just a bomb Flexi Rod set is using really light products. So I showed you the leave-in conditioner I used, and I also used a mousse, and those were literally the only two products I used after washing my hair. So girl, like, okay, period. No, I really like it, y'all. Yeah, but tell me what y'all think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at Sincerely Shay, 2 E's _ And yeah, y'all, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.